Hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create tables using Microsoft Word. All you have to do, you'll come here to insert and then you'll go to table, and you can either choose this one that they have already given you and then you insert the table, or you can go back and then you go back to insert, you go to table, you go to insert table. Here you'll have to know how many columns you want to insert. For example, if you want to insert 4 columns and then 10 rows, it means that you'll do like that as I'm demonstrating, and then you click what? Okay. So once this table lands on this working area, all you have to do, if you want to reduce, you have to come and click at the border here, and then you drag this line as you go like this, which means you can extend another line to match your projected space. Like for example, you can type there anything, like you can say number, and then you come here, you want to put, maybe you want to organize a table of items. Here you can say quantity, like that, and here you can say price. And if you want to add another column, you have to right click and then you go to insert, you add. You can add another column. Here you can say amount, or you can say total amount, like that. So you have to extend this column so that it fits the heading. So once you are here, you can decide to make this one capital. Remember, in the other video I told you how to change capital letters, which means you have to highlight like this, and then you have to go back home and you'll come and click on this one here. Then you change this one into capital letter, like that. So once your table is good, you can now start to type anything that you want. For example, I want to type here like bananas. I want to type like rice, mangoes, oranges, like that. And then here I can give the quantity I want, like maybe that, and then I continue like that, like that. Then here I can give the price, maybe 40, 50, this. So here you're wondering how I can be able to put this serial number. I have to highlight, and then I come back home here. I can either put this one here in this form, like that. Even I can remove this bold. Don't want them to be bold. I only want the headings to be bold, like that. As you can see here, the increase of the rows, it means that I have spaced. So this space I have to remove, and then I maintain the small space here between the lines. So this is how you can create a table and insert your items or anything that you want. Now, how will you be able to delete the remaining ones that you don't want? You have to highlight like this, and then you right click using your mouse, then delete the cells. So you go to this one where they have written delete entire row, like that. You don't want that one there. So that way it means that you have created your table. Now there are different ways you can create your table, but again there's another one of freestyle. You have to go to insert, and then you go to table. You come and draw your own table like this. You can draw your own table. It's a freestyle. You just click on draw, and then you try to put the columns in a way that you want. So mostly this one is used for designing like invoices and so on, so that you can organize your work in a proper manner. You can use this draw the table. You can draw in whatever that you want. But insert table, it gives you just straightforward like that. So which one do you want? Do you want the one for inserting, or you want the one for drawing? You can put your comment in a comment section. So if you want to change these tables to look unique, you can highlight like that, and then you come here, you can choose any color that you want. You see, you can change the appearance of your table, you can shade, you can do what using these tools. As you can see, there's this one called design, it has developed there. So you can choose any tool that you want for shading the table. Like here, I can come here to shading, so I can choose any color that I want. Like here, you see, I have already shaded that part, and I can go ahead to shade this part like that. So there's another thing here called eraser. This eraser acts like deleting the table. You can highlight like this, you delete that part that you don't want, or you can come and do like this, or you can delete the whole table, and then you double click, you go back to normal like that. So that is how you can draw the table using the insert tool. So here in insert tool, there are many things we can do, but for now, this is about drawing the table. This one. You can also organize the table using Excel spreadsheet. What will you do here? You'll have to click on Excel spreadsheet like that, and then you will create a table using this one here, which means you can calculate something in Excel and then it will take effect in Word. For example, here in this I'll have to write there items. Then I go here, I can say quantity in short form. I can say price, and then I say total like that. So here I can extend like the way I do in Excel like that. So which means I can put there the first item like bananas, and then quantity I can maintain that one, I can say 10, and then price I can say 40, and then I go to another line, I put rice, I say this one is 12, and then there I can put 50. I continue to insert another one, I say mango, I say mangoes, and then here I can put them 30. Like this I can put them like that. So if I want to calculate this, it means that I can use the formula in Excel to calculate this. Like I can insert the formula like that, which means it is in cell A. Cell A what? It is in cell B. So it is cell B2, and then I put the calculation. There I can say C2, and then I do like this, I hit enter. By doing this, it means that I'm going to drag, so it has already calculated for me. So I have to highlight like this, and then I can right click, I come and I click on format cells, and then I go to border, I click outside the border, I click like this, then I organize the table. So by clicking outside like this, it means that the table which I have organized in Excel has already taken effect here. You can see that table, the way it looks like. So that is how you can organize the table using Microsoft Office Word. So guys, if you found this video productive and you want to comment something, you can go ahead and put in a comment section. Otherwise, subscribe to my channel for more video updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.